Foshan Nanhai Yongu Hardware Products Company Limited is a professional intelligent manufacturer which located in Foshan, China, the center of Aluminum City. As a global intelligent manufacturer on aluminum enclosure worldwide, we have integrated R&D, production, sale and service, etc. And our industry design, it is not common style, but with structure, high advanced appearance, production feasibility, production unit cost, other function, like heat dissipation and ventilation into consideration. Our customer career including digital communication, environment monitoring, security equipment, rail transit, outdoor electronics, etc. Our 5,000 square meters factory includes main equipments like CNC laser cutting machine, carving machine, tapping machine, bending machine, grinding machine, and CNC punching machine, etc. We have more than 1,000 molds. Width and height is fixed, and length can be customization. Main products include aluminum extrusion enclosure, power amplifier chassis, 19-inch rack mount chassis, instrument chassis, metal box, if ODM width, height, and length can be customization. Our enclosures are fully finished at our side. You can also customize your enclosure with surface treatment, including brushed, sandblast, anodizing color, laser printing. There are no minimum orders, and we'll build anything from prototypes and one-off designs right up to high-volume manufacturing runs that take advantage of our blanket order program as an intelligent manufacturer to provide best service and solution for client. That's why we are so confident on our company pattern. Thank you.